In this next example, I'm going to show you how to do or use the chipper service to generate on-the-fly products. These products are not generated on the entire image, they're only generated on the little view that you are currently panning around. And in this example, we're going to show the Hillshade algorithm. Let's go ahead and click on the Hillshade. We load up a map initially of a small area of the San Francisco Bay Area. And just to show you real quick before we actually enable the product generation, I'm going to use an elevation cell that covers that area. And now I'm going to enable so you can see the product generation before and after shots. We have before we generate the Hillshade product on the map, and now afterwards. So once we apply that elevation cell to that colorized map, we send it through a shading model using that elevation cell as a way of shading the terrain and embedding that within the map. So on the left hand side you see some tweakable Hillshade parameters. So let's go ahead and change this one, the azimuth, which is the rotation from true north, and give that about a 45-degree angle. That means the sun's going to be coming from this angle, coming down from this angle now. And see the purple shade here? Let's give it a gray shade. So we'll use a base color of white in areas that we have no color. We'll just use the white color, and we'll go ahead and leave the elevation angle, which is the how high the sun is from the normal plane. So this is 45 degrees in the horizon. And gain, we'll go ahead and add, we'll go ahead and leave the gain. We'll show the gain in a second. Let's refresh that. So we colorize this now as a gray shade with a 45-degree angle coming from this direction down. Now if we want darker shadows, we already have a small gain of 1.5. If we want the shadows to even be darker, we can say let's give it a gain of 3, hit refresh, and you can see the shadows come through a little bit more prominent. So this concludes the example of a window-based Hillshade algorithm.